You had a minute to talk a few words? Yeah.
What would you like to talk about?
Okay, well, I'd like to talk about how do you feel about the current situation that China tried to, almost get ready to take over Taiwan.
Let's go. Who are you?
John Shea.
What organization?
This chamber.
This chamber. Let's,
You want a background?
Alright, just tell me later.
Okay. My name is John Shea, and I'm so happy to meet you here, and I actually very interesting whatever you talked earlier, and now I would like to hear some more about your opinion about the current Taiwan situation.
Yes, hi, I'm Congressman Brandon Williams from New York's 22nd District. I was a nuclear submarine officer in the American Navy, and in fact, I was an officer on a nuclear submarine in 1995 during the third crisis of the Taiwan Strait. Furthermore, as a student, I was a visitor to China during 1989, specifically in May of 1989, during the protests in Tiananmen Square. And I met firsthand with the students there. Of course, we did not know at the time what would happen in June when they rolled in the tanks. But for the beginning part of May, I had the chance to visit with those students. So I know firsthand how important it is to maintain the freedom of Taiwan.
Yes.
And as the only nuclear submarine officer serving in Congress, these are things that concern me a great deal. I come out of the tech industry, so I know of the strengths of the Taiwanese role in the global economy, particularly for the American economy. And we are hosting the largest investment in chip manufacturing in the history of the United States in my district, in Syracuse, New York, with Micron Technologies investing $100 billion in a memory chip fab facility in Syracuse, New York. We can't do that without Taiwanese partners, and I just want to invite all the Taiwanese partners in the semiconductor supply chain to look at Syracuse, New York, my district. I call it the heart of the Silicon Empire. Not the Silicon Valley, the Silicon Empire, because New York is the Empire State. So please come visit Brandon Williams, New York's 22nd District, and I look forward to welcoming you.
I think the community will be very happy to go there to visit. Have you contacted Jensen Huang from the NVIDIA?
I'm not sure. I do need to go, though.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. Thank you for your comment. No, I don't have. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.